Jet lag is a travel bugaboo for even yours truly. But grab your white noise app and your sleep mask. Here are some ways to combat jet lag like a pro. Okay, virtually no sleep last night, and it's about 4:30 or so Paris time. So I have a choice. Stay awake until like 10 o'clock or so and hope that I can sleep 8 hours straight through, or take a little nap and then stay up to like 11 or 12 and sleep through. The one thing that you don't want to do, definitely, is sleep 8 hours during the day, because then your whole rhythm is thrown off. I don't mind taking a nap, but I'm going to limit it to like an hour. I look at it like it would be like I slept like an hour on the plane. And then tonight, hopefully I'll be still very exhausted. Just take a little power nap, keep it short, and try your best to stay awake. I got my white noise, I got my eye shades. It's time for me to take a little nap, but not too long of a nap.